Well, I've had this car since 2011. It was 1977 rubber bumper car. And I did the swap over on the bumpers and sanded it all down and got some primer on it. And that was 10 years ago. I've been driving it here and there, but now it's time to take it apart and get it painted. Yes, I've been waiting for this for a long time. They wanted $6,000 to paint the car. I said, well, no. You know, hey, I'm gonna paint it myself. If it don't look good, it's my fault. I'll just go with it. Well, I'm gonna try it. Shaved the side lights off on the front and back. We got the older style tail lights. I think they look pretty cool on this car. And it's got a nice exhaust system on it. Engine runs great. Got an Nardi steering wheel. I did the armrests, the wood arm things right here on the doors myself. I redid the inside door panels. And it's got, some of you might recognize those seats. They're out of a Mazda Miata, about a 91. They fit pretty good. They're comfortable. That's about it. We'll sand it down, put another couple coats of primer on it, and then we'll be back.